हाय, कशा आहात मुलांनो? मजेत ना? आज आपण मातृभाषेतून सुरुवात केली. नाव कम टू पॉइंट. आय एम जे के कुंभार, मॅथ्स टीचर इन के ए बांटिया माध्यमिक विद्यालय नवीन पनवेल. In previous period, we have completed practice set 3.2 based on finding the nth term. How we find nth term? There is one formula. Tn is equal to this formula. You know, Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. On the basis of this formula, we have solved practice set 3.2. Now we are going to see next point, that is the sum of first n terms. Write down this. Sum of first n terms of an AP. Sum of first n terms of an AP. There are two simple formulae. If there is one AP and we have to find the sum, in 3.2 we have to find n term, means T90, T28, so and so. Here we have to find the sum T28, or here find the sum means S28, S19, S33, whatever may be. And for finding the sum of first n term, there is one formula. See here and write down this. Sn, S means sum of n terms is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. S means sum of n terms, n upon 2, 2a is first term, number of terms and common difference. You know the meaning of this. And then second, if we know if you know first and last term, first and last term, then we use second formula. Very simple. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket t1 plus tn. Same meaning. T1 is first term and tn is last term. If we know the first term and common difference, we can use this formula. And if we know first term and last term, we can use this formula. If we have to find the sum of 1 to 100, which are the natural numbers, if we find the sum of 1 to 100, 1 is first term, 100 is last term, and total number of terms 100, means yes, 100 is equal to 100 upon 2 in bracket t1 plus 100, that is 1 plus 100, and you can easily find the sum of first 100 number from this formula also and from this formula also. In your textbook, there is one information or para, depends on this. A wise teacher on page number 67. Read this carefully, very interesting. And then quick addition, this is on page number 68. John Frederick Carl Gauss. This is the name of mathematician. You read these two pages, very interesting, and you know then the meaning of these two formulae. And then we are going to see the next practice set. Which one? 3.3. Write down these two formulae. Practice set 3.3, example number 1. First term and common difference of an AP. Write down first term and common difference of an AP are 6 and 3. respectively. Find S27. S27. Activity based question. Here activity A is equal to 6, D is equal to 3, S27 is equal to question mark. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket box plus n minus 1 into D. Now S27, that is S27 is equal to 27 upon 2 in bracket 12 plus 27 minus 1 into box bracket complete is equal to 27 upon 2 into bracket is equal to 27 into 45, and now last one S27 is equal to empty box. This is required answer. We have to fill the empty boxes. This is called as the activity question. And like this question in the question paper, question number 2A and 3A. Here, you know the formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Then S27 is equal to 27 upon 2, 12 plus 27 minus 1 D. D is 3. Then 12, we have to solve this. 12 plus 27 minus 1, that is 26 into 3. 12 plus 26, 3s are 78, 3 6 are 18, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7 is 90, means here 90 upon 2 is 45 is already given, and 27 into 45 is 1215. If we multiply these two numbers, 27 into 45, answer will be 1215. This is required answer. If you want, you can do rough calculation right hand side of answer paper of this page. Then next example is third one. Same practice set. Find the sum of all even numbers. Sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. From 1 to 350. Now first we have to write, find the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350. Even numbers from 1 to 350 is equal to, one is odd number, 2, 4, 6, 8, dash dash 348. 350 is also even number, but we want in between from 1 to 350. That means last even number is 348. If we see these even numbers, these are like that AP, and so here T1 is equal to 2, T2 is equal to 4, and T3 is equal to 6. Therefore D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2 is equal to 2, and therefore is constant. D is constant, therefore AP is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Last one is 348. We have to find sum. We know that. What do we know? Formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket. Before that, listen. Before that, we have to know how many numbers from 2 to 348. First, we have to find how many even numbers are there in between 2 to 348, and how we can find it? With the help of finding the n term of an AP from this formula. Now, A is equal to 2, D is equal to also 2. Therefore, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then Tn is last term, 348. A is first term is 2. Then unknown into D is 2. And therefore 348 is equal to 2 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2 plus 2 gets cancelled, and therefore 348 upon 2 is equal to n. Take 2 on this side, it becomes divided, and therefore n is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14, and 2 fours are, means 174. N is 174. That means we have to find here yes 174. Now Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into D. Sn, n is 174. Therefore, S174 is equal to 174 divided by 2 in bracket 2 into first term is 2 in bracket 174 minus 1 into D. D is again 2 is equal to 174 divided by 2 in bracket 2 2s are 4 plus 173 into 2 is equal to 174 divided by 2 in bracket 4 plus 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2, means 346 is equal to 174 divided by 2 into 346 plus 4, that is 350, is equal to 350 divided by 2 is 175. 2 ones are 2, 2 sevens are 14, carry on 1 is 10, 2 fives are 10, means 174 into 175 is equal to, is required answer of 174, and the required answer is 30450. Required answer is 30450 is required 174. Means your last sentence of answer is the sum of all even numbers from 1 to 350 is 30,450. This is your final answer. Write according to question. Okay, this is very example. easy example. First we have to use this formula, then this formula, and then we get our required answer. Then example number 5, but 5 is activity. You try to solve this activity or you try to complete this activity yourself. Now there is one most important example, is sixth one. Which one? Sixth one. Sum of first 55 terms, star. Sum of first 55 terms in an AP. In an AP is 3300. Find 28 terms. Find 28 terms. See, very easy example but important example. Sum of first 55 terms is already given. Means we have to use the formula of sum. We know here S55 is equal to 3300 is given and T28 is required term, and therefore Sn is equal to n by 2 in bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Now S55 is equal to 55 upon 2 in bracket 2a in bracket 55 minus 1 into d. Therefore S55 is already given. 3300 is equal to 55 upon 2 in bracket 2a. 55 minus 1 is 54d. Therefore 3300 is equal to 55 divided by 2 in bracket. Here we can take 2 is common here. 2 in bracket a plus 27d. Here 2 gets cancelled. 2 1s are 2, and therefore 3300 is equal to, take 55 on this side, or write here first 55 in bracket a plus 27d, and therefore a plus 27d is equal to 3300 divided by 5. Take this one on this side, it is divided. Simple calculation. 11 5s are 11 3s are 33. 00 as it is, means 300 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30, means 60. That means a plus 27d is equal to 60. But we have to find T28. Now we can use the formula of finding the n term, because we have to find T, not S. S is already given. If we find T, then n term means Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now Tn is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t. T28 is equal to a plus 28 minus 1 into d. Therefore T28 is equal to a plus 27d. 28 minus 1 makes 27d. But we know a plus 27d is 60, is equal to 60 from 1. Suppose this is number 1, and therefore T28 is equal to 60 is required answer. Or in this term, 28 term is is equal to 60. To write answer according to example each and every time. And now this is the example. First the S55 is given, we can find this one. Then we have to find T28, we can use this term, this formula, and then A plus 27D is equal to 60, we use the value here, and therefore required term T28 is equal to 60. Very easy example, but important example. You are clever, therefore problem is never. Then one more example. 9. This is also star. If the 9th term of an AP is 0, then show that what we have to show? Show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term. Is twice the 19th term. Okay. First one, 19th term. T9 is equal to 0. 9th term of AP 0 is given. And what we have to prove? T29 is equal to 2 into T19. Show that the 29th term is twice the 19th term, means T29 is equal to 2 into T19 is we have to prove here. First, Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then T9 is equal to A plus 9 minus 1 into D. T9 is equal to A plus 8D, but T9 is 0. 0 is equal to A plus 8D, and therefore A is equal to, take 8D on this side, it is minus 8D. A is equal to minus 8D. Now T29, for that we use same formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. T29 is equal to A plus 29 minus 1 into D. T29 is equal to A plus 28D, and therefore T29 is equal to A is minus 8 plus 28D from 1, suppose this is 1 for our convenience, and therefore T29 is equal to 20D. Then for third, T29 is equal to 20D. Now again Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Then T19 is equal to A plus 19 minus 1 into D. Then T19 is equal to A plus 18D. Therefore T19 is equal to minus 8D plus 18D from 1, and therefore T19 is equal to 10D. See here, first use T9, T29 and then T19. Now T29 is equal to 20D. Okay? This one, T29 is equal to 20D. We can write this term in this manner: 2 into 10D. 20 means 2 into 10D, that is 20D, is equal to 2 into 10D means T19, and therefore we can write T29 is equal to 2 into T19. Hence this is proved that T29 is equal to 2 into T19. Very simple example. Use this same formula for 3 times. This one and this one. And then you can write in this manner, and easily we can prove here T29 is equal to 2 into T19. And then next article in this lesson, this is last one, that is application of AP, we can see in next video. Now solve the remaining examples from practice set 3.3.